Hi students, good morning. In continuation part 3, previous class we have discussed properties of definite integration and some standard results. So 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta equals pi by 8 log 2. This is the standard formula. Once again I am going to explaining 0 to pi by 4 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus cot theta d theta is also pi by 8 log 2. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx, both are same, which is equal to minus 5 by 2 log 2. 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx, 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x, both are same. What is the answer of this? 0. Because when you add tan cot x comes, both if you add it, tan x log m plus log n log of m into n, tan x into cot x log 1, log 1 is 0. Yes? Next, previous class we have discussed I think up to (45). Now 46 question number. Integration 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x plus cot x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x plus cot x equal to, this is sin by cos plus cos by sin. What is LCM here? Sin x into cos x. We get sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 dx. Multiply by 2 here. Okay. Log of 0 to pi by 2 log m by n log of m minus 0 to pi by 2 log of n, 2 sin x into cos x equal to sin 2x dx. This is we have done in the previous class. Log 2 constant integration of 1x limits 0 to pi by 2. Here let sin 2x equal to t, then dx is equal to dt by 2. So we will get here minus 1 by 2 dt by 2. Integration, lower limit is 0, upper limit x is equal to pi by 2 means t is pi log of sin t and dt. This is in the form of 0 to 2 pi property, 2 into pi by 2, 0 to 2a. 0 to 2a f of x dx equal formula, integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal formula, 2 into 0 to a f of x dx, when f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. When it is 0, if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. Let me verify this. F of t is log of sin t. Then f of pi minus t, 2 pi by 2 minus t is also same thing, sin 180 minus theta sin t log of sin t, means same will get f of t, means this will get. Then minus 1 by 2, here 2 comes here, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t dt. This get cancelled. So log 2 into pi by 2. This is standard formula, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t dt. Just now we have discussed pi by 2 log 2 minus of minus, this is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2 plus pi by 2 log 2. So pi by 2 log 2 plus pi by 2 log 2 is pi log 2. This is important for J. Understood? Here f of t log of sin t, log of sin t means here 2a, 2a means pi, pi minus x is sin pi x will get. So which is equal to f of x. F of 2a minus x equal to f of x, then this is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Next one is 47, question number, integration of 0 to pi log of sin x dx. F of x equal to log of sin x. F of 2a, this is we can write 2 into pi by 2. 2 pi by 2 minus x equal log of sin 2 pi by 2 means pi minus x equal log sin x, which is equal to f of x. So same. So this we can write 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. Tell me, this is standard formula. 2 into 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the answer, minus pi log 2. Okay. This is first in the form of 0 to 2a f of x dx property. 48, integration of 0 to 1 log of cos of pi by 2 x dx. Let pi by 2 x equal to t, then dx equal to 2 dt by pi. 2 dt by pi. So 0 lower limit, if x is 0 means 0 only. Upper limit x is 1, then t is equal pi by 2. Log of cos of pi by 2 x equal t cos t. Dx is equal to 2 dt by pi. This is, so 0 to pi by 2 log of cos t, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x, both are same. 2 by pi minus pi by 2 log 2. Answer is minus log 2 or log of 1 by 2. See, what is the use of the standard result? If you don't know the standard formula, again you have to solve. It's take time 2 minutes. Again this, let us take this I, again apply property, again solving. That's why standard result compulsory you should buy it. There is no other alternate, because those formulas, those result will come in, it comes many times. That's why you should go through those formulas compulsory, because easily you can solve. Next, question number 49, integration minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of cos x plus sin x dx. This is for JEE question it is. So minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of, this is, can I multiply like this, root 2 into 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by root 2 sin x. Yes, this is, can write sin pi by 4, this is, can write cos pi by 4. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equal to minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of root 2 into sin of x plus pi by 4 dx. Let sin x plus pi by 4, x plus pi by 4 equal to t, then dx equal to dt. Lower limit, if you put x is equal minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4, t is 0. Upper limit is pi by 2 and log of root 2 sin t, and dx is equal to dt. Okay, this is log m into n, because we know the log of sin theta. So log of m into n equal to log of m plus log of n. 0 to pi by 2 log of root 2 plus dt, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t dt. This is the standard formula. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t theta value of minus pi by 2 log 2. Log root 2 is constant. This is, we can write 1 by 2 log 2, it comes up. Log of a raised to m equal m into log a, and integration of 1 dt t upper limit is pi by 2, lower limit is 0. Minus pi by 2 log 2, right? So pi by 4 log 2 minus pi by 2 log 2 equal to minus pi by 4 log 2. This is the answer. Option third is correct. Next, question number 50, integration of 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 2x dx. So we know the formula 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t dx. Sin x dx we know. That is the answer. Sin x dx is minus pi by 2 log 2. But here 2x is there. So let 2x equal to t. Then dx equal to dt by 2. Integration, lower limit is 0. Upper limit is pi log of sine 2 x is t dx is equal dt by 2. This is the formula 0 to a, 2 into pi by 2. 0 to 2a formula. 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to f of t log of sine t. Check the condition, f of 2 into pi by 2 minus t log of sine pi minus t is sine t, which is equal to f of t. So this is comes here 1 by 2 into 2 0 to pi by 2 log of sine t dt. This get cancelled, which is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Question number 51, integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine square x by sin x plus cos x dx. Let this is I, j, this is use property 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus x is cos square x dx by cos x plus sin x. Both add here 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x is 1 by sin x plus cos x dx. This is the standard formula. If you don't know, if you forget standard formula, again it's take 2 minutes. Multiply by root 2 here. This is sin of x plus pi by 4. And let x plus pi by 4 equal t. Like that you can solve. So 0 to pi by 2, 1 by sin x plus cos x standard result. Part 1 have discussed root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Before going to the exam, compulsory you go through the standard result because it save the time. I is equal to root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. This is the standard result. 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x dx equal to root 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. Next, integration 52 question. Integration 0 to 1 log of 1 by x minus 1 dx. This we can write 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x dx. Let this is I. Use property 0 to 1 log of in place of x 1 minus x by 1 minus x dx. So I equal to 0 to 1, this is the equation 1, log of 1 get cancelled x by 1 minus x dx. Second equation, add 1 and 2, 2i equal to 0 to 1 log m plus log n, log of m into n, 1 minus x by x, x into 1 minus x dx. This get cancelled, log 1 is 0, the integration value is 0. Question, integration of 0 to 2 pi 1 by 1 plus tan power 4x dx. Which property it contain? It is in the form of 0 to 2a f of x dx. Zero to 2a f of x dx. See, just I am going to discussing the property 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, which is equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. Now here 0 to 2a, this is f of x. F of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus tan power 4x. F of 2a minus x, 2a 2 pi minus x equal to 1 by 1 plus tan power 4 of 2 pi minus x. Tan 2 pi minus x is minus 360 minus theta. Okay, in fourth quadrant tan is negative, but negative here power is even number, the whole is positive only. So we will get the same thing 1 by 1 plus tan power 4x, that means f of x. When f of 2a minus x equal f of x, then this is the applicable, which is equal 2 into 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus tan power 4x dx. Right? Right. Again, this is again this form it contain. We can write 2 into pi by 2 also. Yes. Then 2a, here 2a means pi minus x is minus tan x, minus of whole power 4 is plus. Again we will get same function, f of 2 into pi by 2 minus x equal to f of x. Then again 2 comes here, 4 into 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus tan power 4x. Finish the question. This anybody can tell this? This is equal to pi by 4. Starting we have discussed in part 1, it comes sin by cos power 4x by sin power 4x plus cos power 4x dx. 0 to pi by 2 f of alpha plus f of beta, this cofunction is there. So which is equal to pi by 4. So 4 into pi by 4, the answer is pi. Next, question number 54, integration of 0 to 2 pi x into pi of sin power 4x plus tan square x dx equal to k into 0 to pi by 2 pi of sin power 4x plus tan square x dx. Then the value of k. So this is here limit, upper limit is 2 pi, here upper limit is pi by 2. So this is we have to convert into that form. So 2 pi, 2a, f of 2a minus x, this is f of x. If you write here in place of x 2 pi minus x, okay, 2 pi minus x, first x we have to eliminate, let this is I, use the property 0 to 2 pi, 2 pi minus x, pi of sin 2 pi minus x is minus sin x, minus sin power 4x is sin power 4x, plus your power is positive tan square x dx. Then I is equal to 2 pi into this pi of integration 0 to 2 pi of sin power 4x plus tan square x dx minus integration of 0 to 2 pi x into pi of sin power 4x, which is equal to I. This is equal to I. Now I plus I is 2I equal to 2 pi, and now you see which in the form of 0 to 2a, okay, f of 2 pi minus x equal to, substitute here 2 pi minus x is minus sin x whole power 4x is positive, same only, is also same only because the both powers are even. So f of 2 pi minus x equal to f of x will get. Then 2 comes here, 2 into 0 to pi of sin power 4x plus tan square x dx. These 2 get cancelled. Again this in the form of 2 into a. Again we will get pi minus x positive, whatever it may be here, either plus or minus, power is even number, will get the same function. Here also same thing, f of 2 pi by 2 minus x equal to f of x. Then 2 comes here, I is equal to 4 pi 0 to pi by 2 pi of sin power 4x plus tan square x dx. So equating with this, what is the k? 0 to pi by 2. We have reduced the upper limit from 2 pi to pi by 2 by using the properties. So what is the k value is 4 pi. K is equal to 4 pi. Next one is question number 55, which is important for JEE. It was asked 2-3 times. 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx and k into 0 to pi by 2, even see it also, f of sin x dx. Then what is the k value? Similar problem only, just 54 question this is. First we have to eliminate x. Let this is I is equal 0 to pi, use the property 0 to a property, f of x in place of x, right, pi minus x, and f of sin pi minus x and dx. So split here, pi into 0 to pi, f of sin pi minus x is sin x dx, minus 0 to pi x into f of sin pi x dx equal to I. This is the I plus I, 2I equal to pi, 0 to pi this is. So we have reduced the upper limit in term into pi by 2. Yes. So use property 2e. Yes. F of 2 pi by 2 minus x equal to f of sin pi minus x is sin x. So we will get f of x. Then 2 comes here, 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Finish the question is equating with this. What is the k? Pi. K is pi. Next 56, integration 0 to 2 pi e power sin square nx into tan nx dx. This is in the form of 0 to 2a. F of x is equal to e power sin square nx into tan nx. Use property f of 2 pi minus x. Sin 2 pi minus x is sin x minus, but square is there, positive, sin square nx. Here we will get minus tan nx. So answer is minus f of x. The answer is, when it is f of 2 pi minus x equal minus f of x, this answer is 0 by property. 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Next 57, integration pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6 root of 4 minus 4 sin square t dt. Pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6 root of 4 take common here, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta and d theta. Pi by 6 to 5 pi by 6, okay, root 4 is 2 and cos square is mod of cos theta. Mod x. Yes, we have to eliminate mod x equal to x when x is greater than 0, minus x when x is less than 0. Cos theta, pi by 6 in first quadrant, pi by 6 in second quadrant. So cos is positive in first quadrant, negative in second quadrant. So which point is the turning point from positive to negative? Pi by 2. So 2 into cos pi by 2 is 0. Pi by 6 to pi by 2 mod of cos t dt plus pi by 2 to pi by 6 mod of cos t dt. In this interval, cos is positive, then we will get plus mod of cos t is t. In this interval is minus, so mod of cos t is minus cos t. Finish integration. 2 into cos integration sin t, upper limit, lower limit pi by 6, upper limit pi by 2, minus sin t, lower limit is pi by 2, upper limit is 5 by 6. Simplify, upper limit minus lower limit. Next, integration of 58, question number 58, integration of 2 to 3, 2 minus x dx by root of 5x minus 6 minus x square. This is direct standard formula, minus pi by 2 you will get it. The standard formula, starting in part 1 have discussed. This is in the form of integration of 1 by root of x minus a into b minus x is equal to pi. 59 also standard formula, 60 also direct, 60 also standard formula, integration of 2 to 5 root of 5 minus x by x minus 2. This is already we have discussed. What is the formula for that? Pi into pi by 2 into b minus a. Pi by 2 into b minus a. Use formula. Upper limit minus lower limit. 61 also standard limit, and 63 also. Integration of 0 to pi x tan x dx by sec x plus tan x, which is equal to standard result formula pi into pi minus 2 by 2. Part 1, video part 1, if you see, starting only have discussed those formulas. Okay, 0 to pi x tan x dx equal by sec x plus tan x equal to pi into pi minus 2 by 2. Standard result compulsory, you should by heart. Next question number is 64, 0 to 1 log of sine of pi by 2 x dx. We know the log of sin x formula, but pi by 2 x is there. Let pi by 2 x equal to t, then dx is equal to dt. Here pi by 2 comes this side, 2 by pi. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2, log of sin t, and dx is equal to dt into 2 by 5. This is formula you know, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t dt equal formula 2 by pi into minus pi by 2 log 2. Standard formula this is. Pi get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Answer is minus log 2 or log of 1 by 2. Over.